How to find autoplay settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find autoplay settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click this three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy and then click settings and now go down and click hey media. And here you will see this one here, autoplay, and here is autoplay settings, and you can manage anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to find autoplay settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.